Well, hello all. Welcome to my backyard. Today we are going to build a stealth shelter in this backyard. We're going to try and make it waterproof, but here is the difference. It's a simple shelter, and I am encouraging everybody to go and make exactly the same kind of shelter, and let's all sleep in them and practice stealth camping, and let's all virtually get together for a camp on the night of the 10th of October. And I'll tell you why that night is important, that we all get together. Then we post videos on the same this link below here. You post a link to your YouTube video of your stealth camp in your backyard. So I'm encouraging everybody to build a stealth shelter. So let's show you what we need. So you will see that I've got a whole lot of these tree branches, or little trees, and I've just come back from cutting them in the bush. So that's what we've got. You're going to need anywhere from 3 to, I think I've got about 15 of these. So what you need to do is get them all so that you've got the thick side down. And we're going to build a teepee type of shelter. So there we've got them all base side down. The next thing is you're going to need a piece of rope or string. So then we're going to take a fairly thick one, and I'm going to, just above my head, I'm going to tie a clove hitch. So you go around, over, and then you just pass the rope under, and there we got a clove hitch. And I'm also going to then put a few hitches around it, like you would with a round tin and 2 off hitches. Now we're going to take this piece of sisal rope and we're going to wrap it around as many times as we can. So that's what it looks like, and now all I have to do is lift it up and open it up. I could cut all these branches off to the same height. I think I may actually do that. It'll make it neater and it'll make it easier. Right, now I'm just going to lop these all off to the same length. Now here's the really rewarding part of it. Now we raise this up and spread these out. So there we have our teepee. I'm going to tie it with some elastic with a bungee cord just to make it a little bit tighter, and then let's put some plastic over it. So just have a look at that. That didn't take much effort. And you see that we almost have our teepee covered in plastic. So that should make it very waterproof. So let's just show you the front of it. And then this will be our door. So that's looking pretty good. And then I've got this piece of plastic, which I could do the same with. I'm just going to tie that back to hold it open for now. This I could also tie open. Now let's make it a little bit more stealthy. I always have lots of these leaves, which can be a problem. They tend to grow over things and they need a good trimming. So I'm going to cut them at their lowest. So now we have our leaves and we've put them all with the PTL or the stem of the leaf facing to the left. I've got another piece of sisal and I'm going to tie them together as tightly as possible. So yeah, that is tied together. Now we're going to place this on top. So instantly our shelter went from unstealthy to stealthy. Now to make the skirt along the bottom, I've got a long piece of sisal and I'm going to do a slip knot, which is like that, and then slip it over and pull it tight. And I'm going to keep on doing that. Okay, if you were right-handed, your slip knot would go over like that, and I guess push it through. Branch in, and pull it tight. That is what our stealth shelter looks like. That is what I'm hoping you will do. So there we go. So there it is. Here it is from the front. Here it is inside. There's the bottom. Obviously we're at liberty to put more leaves along the bottom. Nothing stopping us, or branches if you haven't got leaves. But our stealth shelter should be great, and it's going to rain tonight, so we want to try it out.